All right, guys, well, there you have it. The bumper. This is just the JB Weld material sanded. It actually sanded pretty good to the point where I'm literally just going to throw some rattle can primer on here, tape it off, and we're going to go ahead, spray just a little color on there to make it nice, and that's it. Amazingly, the bumper stayed on pretty good. It did have a couple broken brackets, but we got creative with our fucking fastening process. The headlight is literally being held by a twig because I'm not going to buy a $15 fucking clip. I'm going to try to make something at work. It's a very particular slide clip to hold a headlamp on. If you guys know Volvos, you know what I'm talking about. We did new rear brakes. The left rear caliper was pretty fucking stuck. I managed to free it up, and hopefully it stays unstuck. I did buy some cheapo slappo pad jobs on there, so I got $50 rotors and pads from Rock Auto. And if the caliper gets stuck, then I will unstick it and just put a pair of vice grips on the rubber hose for wherever I am at on the road, and then I'll replace the caliper. But I've had this happen before where the pads were really, really, really worn out and the piston just was not happy in its location as the caliper was kind of doing its little thingy. But we got it moved. It's good. The entire investment of $485, including the bumper repair and the brake pads. This is going to be a great daily driver. It even has 2 new front tires. So we're going to put some miles. This thing is going to be our dog. It does need an oil change and some spark plugs, but to do the spark plugs, I have to remove the upper intake plenum. That'll be a way later down the road problem, like when I start to throw misfire codes, because, we're going to do force maintenance on this thing. This isn't like the F-150. So, on that note, I'm going to start masking this off so that I can put some primer on there and then show you guys what we will have. So hopefully I find something to mask off with because I don't have shit. Guys, I kind of cobbled up a color. I probably could have done a better job of it, but I wasn't worried about it. As you can see, our windshield washer reservoir doesn't hold shit, but that's like an amenity this car doesn't need. It's a fucking beater. The heat works. It's got a new starter, new tires, and a spiffy new bumper. So there's no clear on there because I forgot to grab the clear coat that I had at the shop, and I didn't have it. So it's just kind of like, well, let me see. Let me turn the flash on. It actually doesn't look too horrible. Like, I guess looking at it from the bumper to the fender to the bumper again, like that doesn't match that. That's kind of more purple. This is more bluer. That's kind of like in between these three. Probably could have added a hint of black and I would have been fine, but I didn't really feel like. I only brought like 3 cans of color with me. There was a dark graphite, very blue one, and then there was one that was actually really, really close to this, but once it dried, it was really light, so like, it's kind of how it looks, but I mean, that's literally like I don't know, I think I got $25 worth of JB Weld on there, and then some sandpaper, a flap wheel, and like I leftover paint. I mean, you could probably get a can of spray paint. I also had a can of primer spray paint left over, so I used that up, but I guess you can call this like a $70 bumper repair all said and done, but yeah, it looks complete. It's missing a cover, and I'm not going to worry about it. Like, we're just going to fucking call that a day. Those aren't even functional. Fucking windshield reservoir doesn't even fucking hold fluid. But, I did put a starter on this recently. It's going to need wheel bearings at some point. They sound horrible. I'll put it in the video. Well, the left rear sounds horrible. I'll put that in the video. It's going to need rear shocks. The front end's actually surprisingly tight on this thing. But that's it. This is the fucking JB Weld bumper resto repair for the fucking daily beater. I cannot complain for a total investment of $485. That's America, baby. So I could probably flip this car and sell it all day long for probably $3,500. and probably if I painted the bumper halfway decent. But, you know, I don't feel like doing all that because then it means I got to put a washer reservoir in it and shit. And, you know, for the effort. I'm just going to drive this thing to the fucking ground because I don't want to put fucking miles in the tow vehicle. So, I'll let you guys go. Share, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Tomorrow, we will be putting primer on these fenders. You can see I was checking the spray pattern on my paint gun there. But I'll be putting primer on these. Back this piece of shit out of here. I was trying to put insurance on this car today, but that wasn't going to happen. They fucking, apparently I missed their fucking hours today, so. But, yeah, then I got to register it too, but it's still currently registered under my old man's name for another month. So I'm going to write that out and then register it because I got to pay. This one I'm actually going to have to pay fees on. So, lovely state of fucking Illinois. But anyway, I'll let you guys go. Follow along. We're going to get on the fenders and then, you know, we'll do some shit and do more shit. And it's going to be some good shit. So, it's all good shit. See you guys later. At some point, this thing's going to need wheel bearings. But it's in my no fucks to give realm.